You need to hear this if you're a health enthusiast. These smoothies are game changers. First up, the classic green machine packed with spinach, kale, and a splash of apple juice. Next, the berry blast, blueberries, strawberries, and a hint of flaxseed. How about a tropical twist? Pineapple, mango, and coconut water. Yum! For a protein punch, try the peanut butter banana. Creamy, dreamy, and filling. Craving chocolate? The Choco Avocado Delight is your guilt-free treat. Boost your metabolism with a spicy citrus, orange, ginger, and a dash of cayenne. Detox with the cucumber mint, refreshing and revitalizing. Energize with the coffee nut, coffee, almond milk, and a spoonful of oats. For a zesty kick, the lemon ginger green smoothie is your go-to. Last but not least, the apple cinnamon comfort, like apple pie in a glass, but healthy. There you have it. 10 tasty, nutritious smoothies to fuel your weight loss journey. Happy blending, friends.